Hello learners, welcome to Nagahema courses. Today our topic is density function. Okay, is it my voice is audible for you? Density function which is denoted by fx of x, like this. Density function denoted by fx of x for the given random variable x. What is density function? Density function fx of x is equal to derivative of distribution function. Derivative of the distribution function is called as density function. Existence. If distribution function fx of x exists, then density function fx of x also exists. Okay? If distribution function exists, then density function also exists. Distribution function is represented by a capital letter F and density function represented by small letter f here, and subscript is the random variable x and the argument is some real number x. Okay, here existence means if distribution function exists, then density function also exists. Okay, at singular points, distribution function does not exist. Distribution function does not exist. So those singular points can be replaced by a unit impulse function in the form of integral property. Hence it follows here integral property of unit impulse function. Impulse function is pi of x naught is equal to integral minus infinity to infinity pi of x into del of x minus x naught dx. It is an integral property of an sample function where singular points can be avoided or can be replaced by an unit impulse function which is represented by del. Okay, what is this pi of x here? Where pi of x is a function continuous at x is equal to x naught. Where pi of x is a function continuous at x is equal to x naught. Okay. That means here it follows here where wherever singular points in the sense sudden change in the slope occurs, those points of discontinuities can be replaced by a unit impulse function. The relationship between an unit impulse function and unit step function is given by, here unit impulse function is represented by del of x is equal to derivative of u of x with respect to x. The same equation here we can be written as u of x is equal to integration of minus infinity to x del of zeta d zeta. This is very important. This is very important. And derivative of an unit step function can be replaced by a unit impulse function. And integration of an unit impulse function is equal to unit step function. Okay? Here, observe here where we have, because in the first part already we have seen where fx of x density function is equal to derivative of distribution function. What is the reverse operation of the this differentiation? Integration. Same thing is applied here. Okay? That means u of x is equal to integral minus infinity to x del of zeta d zeta. The part. Next. Characteristics of an unit impulse function. Characteristics of an unit impulse function. What is the unit impulse function here? First one, where it possesses infinite amplitude. Next, it possesses area equal to unity, and it is with zero duration. Once I am repeating, this is important. Characteristics of a unit impulse function is given by, one is infinite amplitude, second one net area is equal to unity, next one zero duration. Okay, next one, for a discrete random variable, x, the density function is given by fx of x is equal to algebraic summation I is equal to 1 to n p of xi into del of x minus xi. What does it mean? Density function is equal to algebraic summation I is equal to 1 to n p of xi into del of x minus xi. What does it mean here? We get this part by differentiating both sides of the last class equation, that is derived in distribution function. We get this one from the distribution function. By differentiating the distribution function, we get the density function is equal to algebraic summation I is equal to 1 to n p of xi into del of x minus xi. Next one, we move on to some properties. Okay, application point of view, properties also very important. First property, density function fx of x is always greater than or equal to 0 for all values of x. Okay, density function is always a non-negative real number. Okay, second one, net area of the density function is equal to unity. Net area of the density function is equal to unity. Next one, distribution function fx of x is equal to minus infinity to x fx of zeta d zeta. Okay, observe here, this is the distribution function to left hand side, right hand side we have density function. Distribution function represented by capital letter. Fx of x is equal to integral minus infinity to x fx of zeta d zeta. What is the fourth property? Probability of a random variable which is greater than some number x1 but does not exceed another number x2 is equal to x1 to x2 fx of x dx. Okay, with this four properties are over. Given a function, arbitrary function g of x is called valid probability density function if it satisfies properties 1 and 2. Okay, here we have four properties here. Before that, here let me have some quick revision. Derivative of the distribution function gives the density function. Okay, that is the first equation. Next one, singular points can be replaced by an integral property of an impulse function. Pi of x naught is equal to integral minus infinity pi of x into del of x minus x naught dx. And a relation between a unit impulse function and unit step function is given by del of x is equal to derivative of u of x with respect to x, and u of x is equal to minus integral minus infinity to x del of zeta d zeta. Okay, next one, here the characteristics of a unit impulse function. Characteristics are one is with infinite amplitude and unit area and zero duration. And the next four properties here. First property indicates that it is a non-negative real number. Second property indicates that net area is equal to unity. The third property from which you can obtain distribution function given the density function by integration. The last one, the probability of given a random variable greater than the number x1 but not exceeding number x2 is equal to integral x1 to x2 fx of x dx. If given the arbitrary function g of fx is said to be valid density function if it satisfies properties 1 and 2. Okay, in the next class, part B, I will cover a few problems on density function as well as Gaussian random variable. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.